You can use Zombie Explore to make your search more specific, and this is how. Let's suppose I'm reading on a newspaper online about Darwin the scientist. I want to find out more about this person, so what I would normally do, I would probably go to a search engine like Google and type my keyword Darwin and get a lot of results. Many of these results will probably not be very relevant to my idea of Charles Darwin the scientist. So what we suggest, recommend that you actually try Explore before you jump into search. So I typed the keyword Darwin and I clicked on Explore on the zombie toolbar, and what I get back is the buzz of the internet. That means how the internet is actually thinking about the keyword you just entered. And what I can see is that the internet is thinking about Darwin in a different way that I'm thinking about Darwin. So I can see, for example, that airline is not something that I was thinking about, but obviously there is a Darwin airline. So I'm going to exclude airline, the term airline, from my query. The same thing I'm going to do with awards. I'm not interested in Darwin Awards today, so I'm going to exclude this from my query. Finally, I can see open source is another term that I don't want to include. When I formulated my query, I wasn't thinking about Darwin, the operating system. And so I'm going to exclude open source from my query as well. And finally, I don't want to forget about including in my query both the first name and the last name of Charles Darwin, which I think is going to be important. So I'm going to add these two terms to my query. So as you can see now, Explorer at the top of the screen shows that Charles Darwin in italic has been included in my query, and it shows also all the terms that have been excluded from my query. Before trying my search then, I'm going to try the Explorer once more, to test my query and see what is the buzz now about this new query that I formulated. And as I can see now, the buzz of the internet is much more aligned and much closer to my idea, my concept of Darwin, the scientist. So I think I'm ready to do my search. Now I'm going to click on Search, Open Web, and this is going to execute a search on Google. And I can see now that on Google, all the results I get are very, very relevant to my idea of Charles Darwin, the scientist.